we find the application of these linear programming problems? In almost in every industry context, we can apply this linear programming problem. For example, when there is an advertising budget allocated in an organization, and to what extent they can spend on media, because there are multiple medias are available. For example, print media is there, electronic media is there, internet is there. Likewise, in television channel or newsprint, day-to-day newspapers, dailies or weeklies or monthly magazines, how much money has to be distributed, what is the impact based on that. Similarly, when raw materials has to be blended to get certain kind of impact, say when we are manufacturing a food, then they mention what should be the minimum grams of protein that should be there, or minimum grams of sugar that should be there. Likewise, they mention while preparing the feed or while preparing some food items. Similarly, when an investment has to be made, there is some amount of money, and when a portfolio has to be prepared, when it has to be invested in several places, like how much money they want to invest in equities, how much money they want to invest in bonds, how much money they want to invest in debentures or preference shares. Likewise, and similarly product mix, when the availability of resources is only this much, like raw materials or machine hours or man hours, all these things, in that event, which kind of product mix is going to give us the best profit? That is what we see.